Hello, welcome to AI Factory. In the previous video tutorial, I introduced MiniMax, also known as Hailuo AI, a text-to-video AI tool. If this is your first time on my channel, please watch the first part of Free Unlimited Cinematic AI Video Generator MiniMax, high-quality text-to-video with Hailuo AI tips. Here, I'll briefly introduce this text-to-video AI tool. MiniMax is an AI tool from China that can smart searches, image analysis, voice calls, writing help, document summaries, and task simplification. Most impressively, it instantly turns text into stunning videos, bringing your words to life. High-quality video creation is just a few clicks away. It's recently changed to be a more user-friendly English interface, so now you can access the web page without signing in. It's free to use and incredibly fast. Just 3 to 5 minutes for results. Let's try one. A teenage girl opens a refrigerator, and there's Spider-Man inside in a vibrant color palette's movie style. Wow, this picture is restored perfectly. The colors are vivid, the scene is fantastic, and the video flows like a movie clip. Let's try an image with detailed expressions. A beautiful girl sits on a park bench, talking to the boy next to her. Her expression shifts from happy to surprised, then gradually becomes sad, with tears flowing. In Christopher Nolan's style, I'm pretty good at writing scripts, right? This kind of expression isn't easy for even professional actors. Let's see what it generates for us. The video's color tone is subtle, capturing the girl's intricate facial expressions with rich layers of emotion. The boy next to her also mirrors these shifts as she speaks. You'd think this was a movie clip if I didn't tell you otherwise. Then let's do one action video. A cinematic sequence featuring a female warrior dressed in bright red traditional Chinese robes, locked in an intense sword fight with a man in black. The camera tracks from a distant long shot to a dramatic close-up, capturing her every movement. Her long hair flows wildly in the wind and rain, which becomes heavier, adding to the tension. Raindrops run down her face as the battle becomes more intense, emphasizing her determined expression. High-speed action, intense sword strikes, and dramatic lighting create a visually striking atmosphere with a strong sense of depth of field. I am a truly excellent screenwriter. I added a dramatic rain background. Let's see how it turns out. Though the swords never actually touch everything else, the rain in the background, the costumes, the fighting scenes, the camera's movement, and the close-up facial expressions is comparable to a blockbuster movie in terms of detail, clarity, and smoothness. This is another one using the same prompt. Let's give it an even more complex prompt. Text plus camera movement plus focus changes plus new character plus dramatic action. After experimenting with these prompts, we've found that MiniMax is astonishing in its ability to understand prompts, maintain visual aesthetics, capture cinematic quality, handle camera movements, and stabilize the picture. This provides a solid foundation for creating videos with consistent characters and fluid actions. We can use it to make blockbuster films for free, and if the result isn't ideal, we can redo it as many times as needed until we're satisfied. With this AI tool, even beginners can easily create mini AI movies. We have seen the importance of photography skills, visual style, and scene settings in making effective video generation prompts through the example prompts here. For the best movie results, try this prompt formula: story plus characters plus visual style plus sound plus emotional impact. Here we need to use ChatGPT to help us create the story, characters, and visual style, and use AI editing tools to complete a finished movie. In the next tutorial, I will delve into ensuring character consistency and how to create special movie effects. Stay tuned to the channel. If today's video gave you a basic understanding of AI tools, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.